Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, I have come again for last part of executive summary of case study of final exam of ICAB. I have tried to discuss earlier the full preparation of report, that is management report, except executive summary. Executive summary is the overview of full report. It's called helicopter view of your full report. Management would make decision on this report just seeing or reviewing the summary. They may not have enough time to read all the sections of the report. So just like a helicopter view, you have to put the succinct and smartest way of presentation in executive summary. Executive summary carries 15 marks. So this should be carefully done by you. In executive summary, you may write an introduction and under heading and internal or preamble or preface. The writer says this preface. I would suggest you to use the word preamble. So in this preamble or summary, you may give the company's name or it might be called the company, or say August Limited, or say something ABC Limited in short form of the company, year of establishment or incorporation, this location, there is a main product or streamline business, and some situation which was discussed in detailed report in performance or another sections. Don't give too much idea about the company, and after end of the report, what does the company, after end of the introduction, what does the company want to proceed further, taking loan or issuing bond, IPO, what may it can do. This is another important things you may give by how the company was grown, that is organically or hybrid growth. After this, you may proceed for their decision to utilize the fund. Don't give too much idea of outbreak of COVID-19 and other flood and external factors. But if the question has indicated to you some points about this, you can write on this introduction. Then after this, you can write performance analysis. Performance analysis that you done in the full report or main report, that in your revised financial statement and ratio analysis, full ratio analysis, this may be summarized in smartest way in your performance analysis. In performance analysis, don't give conclusion and recommendation. All conclusions and recommendations can be given at the last of the executive summary. After giving all, summarizing all sections, you may give in the last of the executive summary all conclusion and recommendation. This is the smartest way. I have already done. Then after performance analysis, you may have to answer expansion or financing proposal or viability of acquisition scheme. This should be in succinct manner. Financing option, then SWOT analysis. All SWOT analysis should be summarized in your executive summary. If there is an opportunity to write any external opportunity in the newspaper script given in the question or any other area, you may write down the opportunity side, GDP growth, world GDP, per capita income of Bangladesh according to BBS. You may write in this executive summary if you have any option or chance to write it down. Secondly, another issue may be here, appointing second auditor or any other non-compliance issue. This should be summarized. Economic, social and ethical issues. All economic, social and ethical issues are summarized here. Economics and social issue is very easy, and from main report you can put, but don't write any directly from main report. Just you write down all the social, ethical and other issues. At the last page of the executive summary, you may conclude your report after giving conclusion and recommendation. What do you find in the performance analysis? That's the main thing of the performance. They are downsizing their sales or revenue. You may write it down smartly. They're wrapped up or decline. What may be in your answer? What is the root cause of the decline? What is the root cause of the increase or higher growth? So this may be written by you. Secondly, from expansion plan, you may give the notable assumption in one sentence. Don't give too much. Or acquisition scheme. What is vertical integration or horizontal integration in a smart way? In performance analysis, I have already discussed performance analysis, expansion plan, and after recommendation of financing option, you may recommend the management to take the decision on the basis of your advantages and disadvantages described by you in your main report. So SWOT analysis, this is already I have discussed. Advice on second auditor or another non-compliance issue. If they are the current audit or existing auditor take up the works of non-audit service, this may be non-compliance. If there any issue or the separate requirement from your for answer question, you may give the recommendation side. This is the non-compliance. You may recommend this non-compliance should be removed. This non-compliance should be removed, or management have to comply the issue. So if there are any second audit appointment non-compliance after following the rules of AGM and other things, so management should take care of it. You may write down economic, social and ethical. Economic, social, the economics is economic issues are very common. Social and ethical, the company should invest or donate in social activities which are allowed in tax authority, allowed by tax authority. The company wouldn't make investment or donation in the area or institution which are not allowed by the tax authority. That will be disallowed in the expense, and company will have to pay additional tax. You may write this in your answer sheet. So this is the main idea of executive summary. I think executive summary should be different from all other candidates around you. So be careful in writing executive summary. You have to be very cool in mind, and this is the most crucial part of the report or case study exam. So don't miss it and try to follow my suggestion, and if there is any good suggestion, you may put in your comment section. I'll correct it, or my suggestion will be changed. I don't think it would be very lengthy or succinct. I wouldn't be any concerned about it. Just I take up the idea and give you the suggestion. You may give suggestion to me. So be careful and take care from now. Bye.